Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to know who is visiting my Facebook profile. So guys, at first go to your Facebook. Now tap on the three dot icon in the right side of corner. Now tap on your profile. Now tap on the three dot icon. Tap on turn on professional mode. Tap on turn on. Now go back. Now tap on see dashboard. Swipe down and tap on see more insights. Tap on get started. And guys, there you will find an option profile details. I don't know why this option is not available in my Facebook, but if you have this option, then just tap on it. Then you will see again viewers options. Then if you tap on that, then you can see who is visiting your Facebook profile. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.